What if I told you that you could turn just $100 into $1,000 in 30 days using a proven Binance Spot trading strategy without leverage and without being glued to your screen all day? Sounds unreal, right? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps you need to follow to make that happen. I've simplified this strategy for complete beginners, and the best part is, I give out free daily crypto signals in my private WhatsApp channel that you can use to copy my trades and earn daily profits. You'll find the link in the description, but spots are limited. So join now before I close access. Welcome to Crypto Pals, your trusted place for realistic crypto strategies, market insights, and portfolio growth. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's been stuck with small gains and big losses, this video will give you a clear, step-by-step plan to grow your account using Binance Spot Trading, no leverage, no futures, no hype. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about what Binance Spot Trading actually is. Spot trading means you're buying and selling the actual cryptocurrency, not contracts or predictions. You own the coins and you make a profit when you sell them at a higher price. Simple, right? Unlike futures trading, where a bad move can wipe out your entire balance in seconds, spot trading is far safer. There's no liquidation risk, and it's much easier for beginners to control their emotions and learn the game. And Binance? It's the largest and most trusted platform for this. It has high liquidity, tight spreads, and powerful trading tools perfect for starting small and growing fast. So here's how the $100 to $1,000 strategy works. The goal is to compound small profits consistently over a 30-day period using high-quality crypto coins that show strong technical patterns. You'll start by picking 3 coins from the top 50 list, ideally ones with daily volume over $500 million. Popular options right now include Sol, AVAX, Matic, INJ, and RNDR. These coins have clear trends, regular bounces, and strong fundamentals. Divide your $100 into 3 trades, around $33 each. Or focus on one coin at a time if you're more comfortable. You're going to use simple indicators like MACD and volume spikes to time your entries. When the RSI dips below 35 and price touches a strong support zone, that's your buy signal. Set your profit target between 5% and 15%. Once it hits, take profit and move to the next setup. And if the trade starts going the wrong way, set a stop loss just 3 to 5% below your entry to minimize damage. Repeat this cycle 3 to 4 times per week. Now let's do the math. If you average 8% profit per trade and complete 3 trades per week, you're making around 25% weekly. That means your $100 becomes $125, then $156, then $195, and so on. With compounding, you can hit over $1,000 by day 30, even with a few losses in between. Now, what coins should you focus on right now in 2025? Coins like Solana, Render Avalanche Injective, and Polygon are showing excellent momentum. They're volatile enough to give daily profit opportunities, but stable enough to avoid flash crashes. The key is to watch the charts and combine fundamentals with technicals. If that sounds like a lot to figure out on your own, don't worry. I share daily free spot trading signals on my WhatsApp channel, including the coin, exact entry point, stop loss, and profit target. These signals are beginner-friendly and are based on the same system I use to trade. Just copy, paste, and trade confidently. The link is in the description. It's 100% free to join for now. But trading isn't just about picking the right coins. It's about managing your risk like a pro. Never risk more than 5% of your portfolio on a single trade. If a trade fails, let it go. Don't double down or chase losses. It's consistency that wins in the long run, not emotions. I also recommend using a simple trade tracker, like a Google Sheet, to log your trades, note your results, and track your growth. This will help you spot patterns, avoid repeating mistakes, and stay accountable. Let me give you a few real examples from my own trades. I recently bought Solana at $145 and sold it at $155. That was a 6.9% profit in less than 48 hours. Another trade, I picked Matic at 52 cents and sold at 58. Over 11% gain in just a few days. Even smaller wins like 4% add up quickly when you're compounding daily. So if you're asking, can I really turn $100 into $1,000 in 30 days? The answer is yes, absolutely. But only if you stick to a strategy, protect your capital, and stay consistent. And remember, you're not alone in this. Join my free WhatsApp group where I post daily signals and help beginners grow fast without taking risky trades. It's your shortcut to avoiding trial and error and jumping straight into profitable setups. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and check out the other resources in the description, including a free Google Sheet tracker and risk management guide. This is CryptoPals, helping you grow smarter, not harder. Let's make this your most profitable 30 days yet.